Hi, rock stars. It is T-Bone Pearson here. It is really late at night again, but I wanted to do some videos. I've set up I've got two lights here. I've got a fill and I have a key, and I've got a backlight up there now too. And I've made the green screen go around the corner on both sides. So here's a little tip. I'm doing a scene in space, and so I need the talent to sit on a stool, like a stool that I can delete. So the easiest way I've found to do this is to do something like this. And all this is I did the video about the Westcott green screens. This is just the bag that the green screen back here comes in, and you can cover up all sorts of stuff. So you can cover up props. It's great to put on stools. I've done that for a while. So this is fantastic. So that's great that they put a bag made of green screen with the green screen. You go, Westcott. All right, anyway, so I have my stool. The shadow behind me is a little dark, but yes, there's a good little tip. These little bags that they come in are great for making green screen props, covering things up, covering up chairs. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Cheers.